Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a memory test to your Nearpod lesson. So we're going to click on Add Content and Activities, and then click on Activities, and then Memory Test. And so you can either choose to do text or you can choose to do images. I'm going to go ahead and select images, and then I'm going to search for an image. So the first one I'm going to search for is Statue of Liberty. And then it's just click and drag it in. And so once you have searched all the images, you're just going to click Done. And now you have added that memory test to your Nearpod lesson. If you're working in Google Slides, you're going to go to your Nearpod toolbar and scroll to find Memory Test. And then you will follow the same steps for adding the images or text as we did in Nearpod.